In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error that says failed to initialize Direct3D. So this is actually a part of DirectX, and if you're going to be trying to render 3D graphics, this tutorial will be for you and you're having this problem. So we're going to jump right into it, and we are going to start by opening up the web browser or any web browser, and you want to navigate over to Google, and you just want to type in DirectX, and then you want to search that up. One of the best matches should be from Microsoft domain that says download DirectX and user runtime web installer. I'm going to just left click on that one time to open up the web page here. And then once you've selected your language, you want to left click on this download button. I'm going to uncheck the box next to MSN default homepage and Bing default search engine. I don't feel like changing that. And then I'm going to left click on no thanks and continue to DirectX end user runtime web installer. Should take a second to download. I'm just going to left click on the file one time once it's downloaded. You're going to get a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. I'm going to left click on yes. You can minimize out of the web browser at this time. So you should get a pop-up saying welcome to setup for DirectX. I'm going to accept the agreement and then left click on next. I'm going to uncheck the box next to install the Bing bar. I don't want to install it. Then I'm going to left click on next again. This will take a moment, so just be patient. Should see installation complete, left click on finish, wait to just restart your computer, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.